This dashboard interface tracks a critical transition. We begin with isolated metrics, like siloed capital expenditures and IT budgets, and watch them reorganize into a live web of Pharma 4.0 telemetry, OEE, cost of poor quality, and forecast error impact. Managing this density of data transforms the CFO's function into that of an enterprise digital value architect. Traditional, isolated stage-gate funding models fail to capture the value of these interconnected systems. One cannot assess the return on a single software upgrade without measuring its cascading effects across manufacturing, quality control, and supply chain. Evaluating artificial intelligence, smart manufacturing, and blockchain requires treating them as a singular, interdependent ecosystem. Without a comprehensive, risk-adjusted financial architecture to govern that ecosystem, large-scale digital transformation initiatives will struggle to gain board-level approval. The physical challenge of this transformation is immense. Plant-level performance indicators are linked to multi-party global supply chains, requiring split-second coordination. Layered over that physical speed is rigorous regulatory complexity. GXP compliance, data integrity, and electronic audit trails must integrate directly into automated operations without slowing them down. Overseeing these moving parts requires a central governance mechanism operating as a transformation value office. The primary tool of this office is a new financial model that links raw operational telemetry to enterprise value and risk control. To understand how this model secures capital funding, we will deconstruct it from the factory floor upward. We start by establishing the baseline cost structure of a traditional brownfield pharmaceutical plant. These legacy facilities operate with severe hidden financial drains, driven largely by manual paperwork dependencies and reactive quality control measures that slow down batch releases. This wireframe model shows the impact of digitizing processes. Integrating manufacturing execution systems and electronic batch records with plant sensors causes the downtime cost gauge to drop. Predictive maintenance algorithms applied to this data extend equipment lifespans, reducing unplanned mechanical failure costs. This visibility calculates the cost of poor quality, translating batch rejections, scrap, and delayed releases into precise financial liabilities. The digital plant architecture mitigates these liabilities by enabling real-time release and intervening before deviations compound, making quality control a measurable value driver. Quantifying the financial impact of poor quality provides the data necessary to justify capital expenditure on smart plant automation. Above the physical plant sits the data layer, which integrates streams from enterprise resource planning, quality management, and laboratory information management systems. Generating financial return from this data requires moving beyond descriptive analytics to predictive analytics that forecast outcomes. This AI control tower diagram illustrates how demand forecasting impacts the balance sheet. As data streams funnel in, the system dynamically adjusts required safety stock volumes while shrinking the expiration risk metric. In pharma, products have strict shelf life limitations. Forecast errors directly cause critical stockouts or financial losses through product expiry. By reducing reliance on bloated safety stock, AI optimization frees up trapped working capital and improves the cash conversion cycle. However, deploying algorithmic decisions in highly regulated GXP environments introduces severe compliance risks. If a model's logic cannot be audited, the resulting product cannot be sold. The CFO must mandate strict AI governance, requiring model explainability, bias testing, and human-in-the-loop controls to validate algorithmic outputs. Artificial intelligence is a strategic financial asset only when bound by rigorous, finance-led validation and lifecycle controls. Expanding outward from the enterprise, the model must encompass the global, multi-party network of raw material suppliers, contract manufacturers, and distributors. At this scale, digital traceability is a proactive financial control mechanism used to secure the supply chain. Looking at this global supply map, we see how permissioned blockchains create verifiable digital trust between entities. As a product reaches its destination node, a smart contract executes, automating supplier payments only after specific cryptographic milestones and quality checks are verified by the network. This network enforces a chain of condition. IoT sensors monitor cold chain shipments in transit, recording temperature thresholds to ensure sensitive biologics remain viable. Blockchain's auditable record of custody reduces the financial exposure of recalls and prevents counterfeits from entering markets. Multi-party digital networks transform unpredictable supply chain risks into mathematically manageable, automated variables. To secure investment, the plant, intelligence, and network layers must be consolidated into a single, unified financial evaluation. This dynamic equation illustrates the comprehensive ROI model required for Pharma 4.0. The total cost of ownership denominator expands to account for cybersecurity, computer system validation, integration, and training. Omitting these compliance and cyber exposures from the initial model leads to budget overruns. On the other side of the equation, the value numerator is calculated as risk-adjusted net present value. This NPV calculation captures the tangible cash benefits of reduced inventory and the elimination of the cost of poor quality we identified on the factory floor. Finance teams must apply advanced sensitivity analysis to this equation, stress testing the expected returns against supplier disruptions, algorithmic drift, and shifting regulatory demands. Capital is released through strategic stage gate funding, tying each phase of investment to milestone-based benefits realization. Board-level approval follows the presentation of this fully burdened, risk-adjusted equation. The final step for the modern CFO is collapsing these complex technical architectures into an actionable format for executive leadership. Implementing a Pharma 4.0 ecosystem is an exercise in enterprise risk management and precision capital allocation. This framework interface maps that reality directly into a board risk and ESG reporting pack, organized into 3 pillars. Pillar 1 governs value realization. The Transformation Value Office tracks actual portfolio returns against the projected total cost of ownership and ROI models. Pillar 2 governs digital risk. This ensures compliance by design, embedding GXP controls into system architecture and modeling the financial exposure of cybersecurity threats. Pillar 3 governs ESG assurance. The digital systems automatically collect auditable data on energy usage, carbon reduction, and waste management for investor reporting. Governing these 3 lines of defense is the core mandate of the financial leader in a digital pharmaceutical enterprise. The pharmaceutical CFO engineers the comprehensive business case that determines the success of these digital initiatives. They establish the multi-party financial rules of engagement across the entire supply chain. They enforce risk-adjusted performance metrics across advanced manufacturing and artificial intelligence integration. Through the Transformation Value Office, finance acts as the central nervous system, translating raw technological capability into enterprise value. The result is a fully integrated operational state, a compliant, resilient, and profitable digital supply network capable of anticipating market demand. By architecting this risk-adjusted portfolio, the CFO makes the digital transformation of the pharmaceutical value chain strategically and mathematically inevitable.